Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Dami. I hope you're doing well. If you're interested in how I got this gorgeous hair, please keep watching. Okay, so as usual, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I detangled the hair in 4 sections, washed it in 4 sections, and conditioned it in 4 sections. So right now, I'm just going to deal with my hair section by section. It's still a little bit damp. So I'm just going to comb my hair out, starting from the tip, and I'll work my way up to the roots. So I'm just going to be using my hand to section my hair. I want the twist to be kind of big, and I'm not going to twist it too tight. So I'm just using my hands, and then I'll tuck the rest away. I'll be using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Trick Elongating Gel. I really like this gel on my hair. And just to make sure that the hair is really smooth, because if you twist in bumps with your hair, it's not going to look nice when you take it out. Okay. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the gel and then start twisting. I'm not trying to make the twist tight. The tighter you make your twist, the tighter your curls will be. I already made a tight twist out on this channel before, so right now I'm going for like a bigger twist out. And then when you get to the tips, you want to really comb it out, because they are notorious for being bumpy. Twist it out, and then you just roll the edge on each other. I'm not bothered about making straight parts because we're still going to cover it all up. So that's why I'm using my fingers. I see I'm leaving a little bit of hair from this section. I'm going to add it with hair from this section, so it's going to cover up the part I have down the middle. I just want my part to stop somewhere around here. So now on the final one, now I'm done with the twist, so I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning and take this down. I'm going to see how it looks. Okay, so I'm back. I've let the hair dry. Now it's time to take it down. Just go from the top and split it down. So now this is how it looks, and then I'm going to use my fingers to separate the coals. So I'm not going to separate it down to the tip, I'm just going to stop somewhere around here. This is just to make the hair look fuller. So this side is separated, you see this side is not separated, this side is looking full already. So I'm just going to continue separating these parts. On second thought, I don't really think I'm digging this middle part, so let's see if I can move it to the side. Okay. I'm going to use a bobby pin. Yeah, I think I prefer this part. And let me see if I can take this to the back a little bit. Yeah. I'm also going to use some bobby pins here. I just want to take this part to the back a little bit. Using the Lotta body edge control, let's put this right here. Okay. Okay, and there you have it. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment down below on what kind of hairstyles you'd like to see next or any questions you have for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.